Hi guys, let me show you how to set up your hs360e for your first flight. Go over a basic setup here so you can get it up in there and have some fun. Alright, we have a 249 ultralight foldable drone, 4K EIS camera, GPS return, and an intelligent flight mode. Okay. Really nice case. There is a strap in here too, shoulder strap if you want to use it. It's right up in here. Okay, I want to unfold the front arms first and then the backs. Same as this side. Let's go ahead and take our camera cover off. Alright, place the drone down facing away from us. Get our battery. We're going to plug that in there. Just like so. Oops, sorry. Just like so. Okay, we'll get our transmitter out. Phone will go in there, and you charge your or plug your media cable in there. Right here, I'm using a USB-C. You'll see a little icon there that goes in the plug here. And the other side goes into your phone. Now you do get a couple different kinds of plugs, like Apple plug and then the micro USB-C. And this is the charger for this drone. This uses USB-C in the side there, and then you plug the battery into it. It's really cool. Okay, let me set this over here, out of the way. Alright. Okay, so to start the drone, you want to tap and then long press. Same with the remote. Tap and then long press. Just like that. Okay, let's go get our phone in there while it's connecting. Give it a few seconds to do its connection. Take note that you don't want to hit your power button there, so make sure you're not being pressed, or it's not being pressed. Okay, go ahead and start up my phone here. Unlock it. Should automatically take me to the HS Fly app. Yes, it did. Excuse me. Alright. So let me get my joysticks in there. They're in the bottom of the transmitter when you first get it. Just gently screw them in. Unscrew them each time. Keep things in good shape in case somebody sits on your case or something. Alright. Okay, so we have auto takeoff and land. You have throttle up, throttle down, left spin, right spin, forward flight, backward flight, left sideward flight, right sideward flight, power on button. We have speed settings, camera button, return to home button, video button. You have your phone holder. That's where your media cable plugs in. Over here we have a roller for raising and lowering the camera. Hear that? Really nice. Okay, then over here you have zoom in, zoom out. Very cool. Okay, so now to get in and see what the drone's seeing, simply, we're going to put a box there so we can look at something. Okay, then just simply hit control on the app.
GPS mode.
It's in GPS mode. Alright, now we're seeing what the drone's seeing. Very cool. Man, Sony CMOS or CMOS sensors are amazing. Really nice quality cameras on these drones. Highly recommend them. Okay, so I think all that's left to show you is the compass calibration. You have to go up into the center with both joysticks. Okay, then you want to spin it counterclockwise till you hear a beep. Camera up and counterclockwise till you hear a beep. And then you're good to go. You're all set and ready to fly for your first time. Okay guys, I hope that helped you get up in there and get to flying. Hope you can enjoy your new 360e, your hs360e that is. And thank you so much for stopping by. Appreciate all of your support and hope you have a great day.